Hey y'all, and welcome to Wholesome Foodie. Today I get to share with you all what I eat in a day. So recently I have been trying to eat fewer calories and have a more balanced lifestyle. And so if you'd like to see how I fit recipes like the one you just saw and this one, including some good snacks into my lower calorie lifestyle, just keep watching. I'm so excited. Alright, so here I am starting my day with some alkaline water. This is 32 ounces, and I have 2 key limes that I'm going to squeeze right into my water. I like to start my day like this because it really does hydrate me. It's also helpful for detoxifying. It's such a good way to start the day. So here I am doing that. And with my lime water, I like to take these apple cider vinegar gummies, which I'm about to show you. This bottle is almost empty. I have 2 backups. I really love this. I take 3 of these and they are awesome. So on this journey, weighing and measuring and portion size is of course really helpful. So here I am just showing how I make my mango smoothie, which is something I'll have around noon. I'm not too big on eating early in the day. I kind of just do a little bit of intermittent fasting until about noon. And so here I am with just 100 grams of mango. I'm gonna put 6 ounces of unsweetened almond milk, and I'm also gonna add 2 tablespoons of sea moss gel into this smoothie. Alright, my smoothie is all blended up. I'm gonna go ahead and add it into my cup and enjoy it. Nice and smooth, super luscious and rich and fruity. I actually really love this smoothie. Really simple too. This smoothie is 110 calories. Alright, next I'm going to show you how I make my avocado toast. There is a more extended recipe that I will include a link for in this video as soon as that video is completed. But here's how I make my avocado mash. I'm just going to put half of a medium avocado with some minced garlic as well as lemon juice and get that smashed up all nice. Now that my avocado mash has come together looking great, all flavored and seasoned, here are the other ingredients I like to use. This is my piece of toast. Here is the bread that I've been enjoying, Dave's Killer Bread, thin sliced, all organic, whole grains, 70 calories per slice. This is 1 ounce of goat cheese. I have some thinly sliced cucumbers. I have 2 ounces of smoked salmon. I've got some microgreen pea sprouts. I have some dill, thinly sliced red onion, crushed red pepper, everything but the bagel seasoning, which is really good, a little balsamic vinegar, and of course my avocado mash. I'm just gonna go ahead and start building my avocado toast now. So I'm putting all of the avocado mash on here. I do like spice, so you'll see that I'll add some crushed red pepper. Next, I'm gonna add all of the other ingredients, and of course you can kind of assemble this anyway. Here I am just trying to decide how I want it to come together, so I'm just adding the smoked salmon. now I'm adding the thinly sliced cucumber. After that, I'm going to be adding the goat cheese all over the top, and then the onions, and then I'm going to add on the herbs. It all came together, and here is the finished product of my avocado toast. Y'all, so delicious. It's fresh, creamy, savory, so good. The herbs add an amazing flavor. 355 calories for this avocado toast. You saw me just put on a little balsamic vinegar. Alright, so who doesn't love to snack? I know that I do. So here I am just showing you all a snack I had. These are the popcorners. Here's a little clip so you can know exactly what they look like. When I tell you that they are so good, super wholesome ingredients. You can see I have the spicy queso, kettle corn, and sweet chili flavors. This is a 120 calorie size portion of those. I mixed and matched because I love variety, and this was absolutely delicious snack. So here I am plating up my dinner. I decided to make some bok choy chicken. I will have a full recipe for this video linked so you all can see exactly how I made it. Very easy, comes together in about 20 minutes. So delicious, y'all. This tastes just like takeout, if not better. So fresh, so savory. There's a little sweetness, some freshness with the red bell pepper and the bok choy. There's some mushroom in here. The sauce is amazing. I paired this with about 1 cup of jasmine rice, and this is 480 calories. Then I added some black and white sesame seeds and scallion to garnish. Here I am showing yet another snack. So I love this mixed nut butter from Trader Joe's. Really yummy. I have 1 tablespoon of that with a medium-sized gala apple. This is 170 calories. I decided to end my night with a few more snacks, and so this is 100 calorie pack of the 40% reduced fat Cape Cod chips, and this is a 100 calorie sea salt caramel Yasso Greek yogurt bar. So delicious for dessert. Alright y'all, this is the end of my video. I really enjoyed sharing with you all what I eat in a day. About 1,500 calories here, healthy fats, fruits, vegetables, protein, some great sources of carbohydrates as well. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.